If you're looking for high-protein breakfasts without eggs, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to keep you energized. Here are 8 protein-packed breakfasts to start your day right. 1. Greek yogurt with nuts and berries protein boost. Greek yogurt 15 to 20 grams per serving. How to make it. Top with almonds, chia seeds, and fresh berries for added fiber and healthy fats too. Protein smoothie protein boost, protein powder, nut butter, and Greek yogurt. How to make it. Blend almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, banana, and a handful of spinach for a nutritious shake. 3. Cottage cheese with fruit and seeds protein boost. Cottage cheese 14 grams per half cup. How to make it. Add sliced peaches, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness. 4. Overnight oats with chia and hemp seeds protein boost. Chia, hemp seeds, and nut butter. How to make it. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a spoonful of peanut butter. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy in the morning. 5. Tofu scramble with veggies protein boost. Tofu 10 grams per half cup. How to make it. Sauté crumbled tofu with spinach, mushrooms, and turmeric for a flavorful egg-free scramble. 6. Peanut butter and banana protein toast. Protein boost. Whole grain toast plus peanut butter 8 grams per serving. How to make it. Spread peanut butter or almond butter on whole grain toast and top with banana slices. 7. Quinoa breakfast bowl protein boost. Quinoa 8 grams per cup plus nuts. How to make it. Cook quinoa in almond milk, then top with walnuts, dried fruit, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. 8. Chia pudding with almond butter protein boost. Chia seeds 5 grams per tablespoon. How to make it. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and vanilla. Let sit overnight. Then top with almond butter and fresh berries. With these easy, protein-rich options, you won't even miss the eggs. Which one are you excited to try? Why not share it with us in the comments section below?